Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Kia Sorento spare tire. First, open your vehicle's rear hatch. Then, lift the cargo floor panel in the back to find the hidden compartment. Inside, you will see the essential tools, your jack, the lug nut wrench, and a special extension piece. These three items are crucial for safely lowering and removing your spare tire from its undercarriage location. Make sure you have all of them ready before proceeding to the next step. Now that you have your tools, let's prepare to lower the tire. Look closely at the cargo floor, often near where the jack was stored, for a small circular cap or a visible bolt. Remove this cap to uncover the access point for the spare tire lowering mechanism. Next, connect the extension tool to the lug nut wrench. This assembly will give you the reach and leverage needed to engage the lowering bolt effectively and begin the process of bringing your spare tire down. With your wrench assembled, insert it into the access point and firmly engage the lowering bolt. Turn the wrench counterclockwise or to the left to begin lowering the spare tire from underneath your Sorento. Keep turning until the tire is completely on the ground and you have about 6 to 8 inches of slack in the cable. Then, slightly tilt the tire and push the metal retaining bar, which holds the tire, straight through the center hole of the wheel to release it. Once the retaining bar is detached, you can easily pull the spare tire out from under your Kia Sorento. To reinstall it, simply reverse these steps. Reattach the retaining bar through the wheel's center, guide the tire back into position, and turn the wrench clockwise to raise it until it's securely snug against the vehicle's undercarriage. Remember to regularly check your spare tire's air pressure, ideally maintaining around 35 to 40 pounds per square inch, to ensure it's always ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.